Hi there, students. Strut. To strut, a verb, or a strut, a countable noun. So let's see, to strut, to walk around looking really proud and trying to look important. Yeah, so you put your chest out, you put your head up, and you are terribly important and you strut around. The boss strutted into the office. Yeah. The boys were strutting around trying to get the attention of the girls. Okay, so to strut, it's a type of walk. It's a self-important walk. You're stiff, yeah, you look arrogant, yeah, and you're conceited. Yeah, you think you are the best. Okay, so to strut about. We've also got an idiom, to strut one's stuff. Okay, to display your best work, to display your qualities at their best. I'm thinking this is particularly applicable to dancing. So I see John strutting his stuff on the dance floor to show off, to show something off to the best of your ability. Yeah, ostentatious confidence. Yeah. An actor gets on the stage and struts his stuff, performs openly and showing everyone quite how cool and how clever they are. Now, I haven't got to the noun yet. A strut. Okay, a strut is a rod or a bar made from metal or wood that holds something together. Yeah, I'm thinking about these old biplanes, these old aeroplanes with two wings, one on top of the other, and you've got struts going from one wing to the other to hold the whole thing together. Yeah, and this is the idea of a strut as a noun. Yeah, part of a framework that is designed to resist compression. It holds it in place. And then to strut, to walk around, your neck stiff, your head up, and you look like you own the world. To swagger, but that's more informal. To parade yourself. Yeah, and then to strut yourself, to behave very confidently in a very expressive way, particularly to dance, because to strut is a vivid verb meaning to walk. Yeah, so to strut, you're displaying how you walk in order to impress everybody else. Yeah. So yeah, the boss was strutting around. Have you ever seen the way policemen strut down the street like they own the place? Yeah. Or I'm thinking about soldiers marching. They seem to strut. Yeah. He strutted down the high street as if he owned the place. Yeah, I think a peacock. Yeah, a peacock, this bird with the beautiful feathers with eyes. I think maybe it struts. Yeah. Okay, you strutted into the room. Or a rooster, a cock. Cock-a-doo-doo-doo! He struts around, showing that he is the boss of the farmyard. Yeah, he strutted around the farmyard. He strutted around town telling everybody that he had passed his exams and now he was going to be a university student. Okay, so to strut. And then a strut, this like a bar or a rod that holds things in position. Yeah, particularly something structural in all sorts of engineering things. Okay, so let's see, to strut. Formality. I'm going to give it, I think, a 5.5. I think you could use it anywhere. Let's see, it's a good vivid verb to use to describe the way somebody walks. So yeah, if you want to use walk, use strut. It's much more interesting. To walk proudly. And then the strut that holds things in position, 5 informality, use anywhere. It says what it is. Okay, and then as to origin, okay, we've got an Old English word strutian, to stand out, to stand stiffly, from Proto-Germanic stratona, to puff up or to swell up, from Proto-Indo-European strud, meaning rigid or stiff. Yeah, and this is probably the same as the origin for the strut, the thing that holds things in position. A strut, a beam or a rod providing support. So I guess that's enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Strut.